So here we go, the next one now. So this is the abandoned street. So it goes all the way down there. We're going to check out some of these houses. Peter Andre's in one. I have been here before, but a long time ago. Right, this one's got a door open. Is this the last one? Yes, this is the last one. Start this one and work the way back. Also don't want to fall down the cellar. First time I come here, I did actually drop my torch down the cellar. I had to go and get it. Bit of a ball ache, but I had to go and get it. Right then, let's try not to go down here. As you can see, not deep, but it's annoying when your torch is down there. So these houses were once again all abandoned in this street, this explosion across the road in the mill. So once again, about the same time, 15. I don't know why they left. I don't know if it's because of safety. Because obviously an abandoned mill across the road blowing up. See what we can find in some of them. I think there's various types of decay in them. So this one's like more or less empty. So I'm in the next one now. Just climb through that window. Some kind of Jägermeister gala there. Left. Oh, Jesus. Don't know if I'm bothered going this one. I don't go across there because if that, I'm on my Todd, you see. If that beam goes, I'll be in the cellar. Maybe this is one where I'm at. No, I don't think it was. So I'm gonna leave this one. There's like 9 more to go, so it's all good. Club card. Right, so the next one, Christmas decoration of this one. June, don't say the year. What are these papers saying? 15, look, you see. So all wrapped around the mill exploding. See what's left in this one. Ah, yes. This is the one where yes, this is the one where I dropped my torch. It slipped out my hand and went down there, and then I had to climb out the microwave to get out. MMK will tell you about that. Right, let's try and get up without falling down. I'm up. Okay. So they're a bit more trash now, but they're gonna be because we found this when not many people have done it. So see what's at the top. Old bathroom. Feels warm in here, like the heating's on, but obviously it's not. A few bits left in here. An old Hoover. That window's pretty cool, to be fair. It's roasting in here. Like I say, it's like a... probably because the sun's beaming on it. Right, let's try and get down that hole without... well, over the hole without falling down here. Keep it rolling, just in case. Right, here she is. This is a risk that people don't always see. Right then. Made it. Here we go. Still a washer in this one. Right, so this one. Right, on the next one, Chronicles of Aviation. Right, see what this one's all about. Cat there still left. Don't think, need to be careful on any of these stairs. I'll see various bits and bobs left in here. So it looks like the floors are weak on this bit here. It looks like it's twice now that all the floors gone here. Oh, PlayStation, original PlayStation games. Gran Turismo, Call of Duty. And up in the money scattered about. Call of Duty, that's the original one, isn't it? From like 2000s. Old photo here left behind, look. Loads of stuff left in here. Right, let's see what's up top. What's in here? Trash bathroom. Map of the world scattered. Let's get to the loft. There's a bed in this one. Old mattress. Jesus, what happened to that? Various old stuff in here. 21 anthems. There's the Monopoly board, the source of the money. Xbox 360 box. Yeah, so old shoes. Loads of stuff there. Don't know what happened to that mattress. That's mad, isn't it? Hoping it's just a leak or something. Right. On to the next. Let's get out of this one. Scales. Bag jacket there. Didn't see that. Right, let's go down. Keep it rolling until we get into the living room because of the drop. I'm hoping they don't go on me though. Sketch ass. Right, there we go. Right, next one. On with the next one. Climb through that window. Shut door on this one. Wow, it's damp in here. As you can see, a bit of curry powder left there. What else is there? Various bits and bobs in there. The most smallest bathroom you've ever seen. Swing a cat in there. Various cupboards. Nice daylight coming through. I think that's it for this one. Yeah, so I think they're all 2-story now. The ones we're in, they're a 3-story. So, right, let's get out of this one. So, in the next one, this is the one with a tank in it, and some backer it looks like. Cool fireplace. Whoa, that's on the slant. See how it's like slanted down. Someone's dart scores on the mirror. Oh, there's a TV in this one. Bathroom. Oh, I can't show you that. Some adult material on the old TV there. Can't show that. I get in trouble with the old YouTube. So I won't show that. Yeah, so these ones are 2-story now. I remember them being better than this, so obviously has some stuff being taken. Also material there and all. Lick my... Okay. Some cards there, look. Alright, let's get out this one. So, in the next one, some port left there. Wow, it's even found a picture. Freezer, the remains of it. Obviously it's been 2015. Old picture there, that's sad to see, isn't it? Various glasses. So I don't know what happened to these people. I don't know if they had to evacuate it and they couldn't come back because of the explosion. I'm not sure. I suppose it's not safe to live across from a mill that's just blown up. Ah, this is the one. This is a cool one with the decay coming through the window. It's pretty cool. That TV was on there. Someone's obviously knocked that off. If I can find the pictures, I've got them on my phone. I know that. So I'll put some pictures in. Of course, like I say, it's not as good as it was. I mean, it won't because obviously not many people knew about it when we did it. I'd seen it on a post on Facebook and then delete the address. So okay, that bath was like in the corner there. So probably metal thieves have done that. Probably take the copper piping out of that as well. There's a cubby hole up there. Right then, let's get out of this one. I think there's one more. So this is the one with Peter Andre in it. There you go. That's pretty cool. TV with a hat on it. This is probably like the best one. It's the first one as you come from the top. Cricket memorabilia. What's this? Book, doesn't say what. 2013 then. Right. Might go out that back door actually. And I'll go right back then. Some Sainsbury's gravy. More gravy. Tilda rice. Oh god. It's like disintegrated. Right. Yeah, so I might go out this door. Around there. That's the back end of the street, look. Check this last one and then I'll wrap it up. Bit nicer bathroom. Smash at the end there. Right, what have I got here then? Just one bed, one simple bed. Nice curtains. Yeah, so that's it. That's the street. That doesn't look a good sign. Because this is what they're using in the spicy lettuce farming. They normally use these in the soil. So I wonder if someone was going to have a go at it and then change their mind. There's no power for one, so that'd be an issue. Or, I don't know. Right, then that's it then. Okay, get out of this one, then I'll wrap it up. And I'll do a little piece on it. Various stuff here, look, from the house as well. I'm just going to go around the front so no one can see me. Weird sound there. Right, yeah, so these are all abandoned when that mill over there went bang. There's some kind of explosion, like a wood mill. So I don't know how that explodes, but it did. So yeah, that's it. So that's the abandoned street. I will put some pictures at the end that you'll be seeing in a minute. That will show you, what it used to look like. Like I say, because some of these places I'm showing you, I did them like 2 years ago. So yeah, let's get out of here. That's a street from a long distance, look. Yeah, so that's the mill. Like, it's mostly destroyed now, and I don't remember when we were going there. Like I say, 4 people did die. That's true. and that's the street look. So the 4 on the end were like 3-storey, and then them were like 2-storey. Pretty cool. I mean, they would have been nice houses. And I'll drop a little picture in as well, what the street used to look like, and then you'll see a contrast what it looks like now. Right then, I'm going to get off on this one. Oh, green for go. Alright, let's go. Right, yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.